listening. So, today I'm going to teach you the lesson Sound and Hearing for grade 6. So, let's get started. Sound is a form of energy. Sound travels as a wave. Sound travels through all solids, liquids, and gases. Do the following activities and get the observations. Let's see the activities. Activity 1. Ring a bicycle bell. While it is ringing, keep a finger on it. Here's the observation. Feels a vibration. A sound comes out. Yes, you can hear a sound when you're ringing a bicycle bell, and also you can feel a vibration when you keep a finger on it. Activity 2. Keep some small pieces of paper on a drum and play it. Observations. Paper pieces move up and down. A sound comes out. Sound is produced by the vibrations of objects. Things that produce the sound are known as sources of sound. Now let's discuss about the diversity of sounds. In the previous slide, I talked about the sources of sound. Now we are gonna divide the sources of sound into two parts as natural sources of sound and artificial sources of sound. Here in the natural sources of sound side, you can see a picture of a lightning. We can hear a sound when lightning, and also it's a natural thing. So this belongs to the natural sources of sound. And in the next side, you can see some people, they are playing some musical instruments. So that thing they doing it. So it belongs to artificial sources of sound. Now let's discuss about them separately. Natural sources of sound. Here you can see few examples and you can think some more. Sounds of birds, sound of wind, sound of a waterfall, barking of dogs, lightning and thundering. Here you can see a picture of a bird, she's singing and a dog is barking. Artificial sources of sound. Sound of an aeroplane, sound of a car, sound of a school bell, sound produced by musical instruments. Whistling. Here you can see a picture of a kid, she's whistling, and here you can see a picture of a teacher, she's ringing a school bell. Hearing of sounds. Do you know the organ in the body for hearing the sounds? Yes, human ear is the organ in the body for hearing the sounds. You can see a picture here, sound waves coming to our ear and then produce the sound. Now there's a question for us. 3 instructions for caring of your ears. Okay, let's see them. Wearing ear protectors. Do not go to the noisy places. Give your ears time to recover. You can see here an ear protector and here a girl is wearing it. You can think some more examples for caring our ears. Now let's discuss about the music and noise. What is music? Sound with a rhythm is known as music. Sound without a rhythm is known as noise. Here you can see a picture. There are some small pictures here and they have a pattern now. And this is the music waves. Here they have pattern but noise has no rhythm and no pattern. Here you can see that picture. Now we are gonna discuss about them separately. Music. Sound with a rhythm, pleasant sound, not harm to the ear. Examples: sounds produced by musical instruments. Yes, music has a rhythm and music is pleasant for our ear and it's not harm to our ear. And here you can see one example, sounds produced by musical instruments. Noise. Sound without a rhythm. Unpleasant sound, harm to the ear. Examples: sounds of vehicles, machines in a factory, noise in a fair. You can see a picture here. It's a traffic. In a traffic there's a big noise. Creating equipments to produce sounds. There are different types of musical instruments that can produce sounds. They produce different sounds by vibrating different things such as strings, air, membranes. Musical instruments that produce sound by vibrating strings. Here you can see 3 examples, but you can think some more. Examples: guitar, sitar, violin. You can see a boy is playing the violin and another boy is playing the guitar. Musical instruments that produce sound by vibrating air. Examples: flute, trumpet, sarpina. Now let's discuss about the musical instruments that produce sound by vibrating membranes. Examples: drums, rabana. You can see a girl is playing drums and here you can see some more examples. It means some more musical instruments that produce sound by vibrating membranes. Ear protectors. The instrument that used to protect ears are known as ear protectors. From the ear protector, we can protect our ears from noise and from harmful sounds. Here you can see two pictures of ear protectors. And this is the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed my lesson, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and share with your friends. Also like. Then goodbye guys. Catch you later.